Hello everyone, today I want to show you a tutorial how to use Nearpod. Firstly, how to sign up the account. Go to Google search engine and type Nearpod. After that, click nearpod.com. You will be sent to Nearpod website and then you click the login button or sign up for free button. You will be given the role you must choose as a teacher or as a student. Click the teacher because if you an educator, if you a student, just click a student. Next is sign up your account. I choose Google sign up for easiest way because I have a Google account in my Google Chrome. So you done sign up your account, you will be given a choice to use a student account if you want to join a lesson, but just click the sign up. If you sign up using Google account, you must agree the terms and conditions and click the sign up. Next, you must choose which subject you want to teach and which grade you want to teach them, and what is your role in this class. Finally, you will be put into your own page for the Nearpod account and you can start to create a lesson. How to use it? Okay, next this is your own Nearpod page. Okay, firstly you can start to create your own lesson by click this one or this one. Okay, this is a lesson, or you can put a video or create an activity, or you can place a Google slide if you create a Google slide in the Google slide. Okay, firstly create a lesson. Okay, this is for the content. Okay, you can see here this is all feature given. Firstly is about slide and a video. You can put a video, you can put a quiz, or you can want to the student to give you a response by draw, so you can put a draw it, or time to climb by create a quiz, and a matching pairs like you use the card to put pair with another image, just like an activity. After that is a collaborative board, just like a whiteboard. And about the pool, you can do a pool. After that, an open and question. Okay, everyone when you can ask the question or giving a response for the audio. Okay, firstly, okay, I want to show you how to you can put a slide. Okay, just click the add. Okay, you will go to the slide to create a slide page, and this is about the layout. You can use the layout. Okay, you will be given all of this for the image, background, video or audio. Okay, after that, this is for the theme. You can use it for the theme you want to use for creating your own slide. Okay, after that, just click a save. After you're done, click slide. Okay, look, you can see here this is your slide after you click. Okay, after that, if you want to put a slide from outside, you can just upload the file. You upload the file and you can send the file if you want. But okay, so if you can create PDF video or individual slide, so you can create PDF viewer. Okay, you can see here the slide of the PDF was put here, so you can save and exit. Okay, tada! And now it's saving and it's done. That's all if you want to create a lesson. Okay, thank you. Okay, you can see here. Okay, that's all. Thank you.